Good evening everyone. Today we are going to give the demonstration of our automatic abrasive cutting machine. As you can see, this abrasive cutting machine comes with a inbuilt light source, coolant tank, touch screen panel, emergency switch button, in this machine a big voice is also available to clamp the sample. User can also move this voice forward and backward from the wheel which is present at the front of the machine. User can also move the cutting wheel forward and backward from the buttons which are available at the front of the panel. In this machine, user get both cutting options, automatic and manual. This machine cut the sample in auto mode. User only need to give the following data like the cutting speed, cutting distance with delay, and the distance at which component need to be cut. These data can be changed as per customer's requirement. The machine can be also run on a manual mode. That means user need to move the wheel for cutting. Now we are going to show you a cutting sample on this machine. So now we are going to cut a sample on this machine. We are going to cut this sample. A requirement in this sample that customer want to take a slice of this part. So firstly we are going to cut the sample like this. After that this, then we will take a slice from here. So firstly we are going to clamp this sample. So our sample is clamped now. You can see. Now we are going to set the setting of this machine. You can see the cutting speed is set 0.3 mm per second, and it will take a delay of 1 second after every 1 mm cut. And presently the distance cutting is giving 100 mm, which is maximum. So we are going to initially cut the half part of the component. After that we will rotate the component and cut the second half part, and then take a slice from the component. So the setting has been already done. Going to firstly zero it. See, this is our, presently it is in auto mode. We are going to start. So you can see cutting has been started with a speed of 0.3 mm per minute. User can also increase its speed from the setting mode. From here user can also increase the speed, but presently we are set this speed to 0.3 mm. User can set maximum 3 mm per minute speed. See, after every 1 mm machine take a delay of 1 second, which is also done a setting. been done. Up to 30 mm has been cut, so our half portion which is required for x-axis cut has been done. So now going to stop the machine. So you can see this part has been cut now. Now going to rotate the sample and do the further part. So now going to move the wheel backward. You can also move the wheel backward, or you can simply remove your voice backward, whatever is convenient to you. Now going to rotate the sample and clamp on the other axis. So the sample has been clamped on other axis. See, now going to cut the sample like this. Close the chamber. So sample has been clapped, making it 0. Start the pump and start the pump. part again cut. So again, see, 27 has been has been cut. At 30 we are going to stop the machine. User can also set this setting auto in here 30 cut, but presently we are not using this function. We can use also that function also. See, you can clearly see in both axes our component has been cut now. Please remove the sample. See, and this axis also. Now for taking a slice from this component, we will place the our sample like this and then take a slice from here. Yes, clamp only one. Done it. See, now like this sample has been clamped. Wait, our sample has been clamped now. Going to take a slice from here. Close the chamber. So you can see the slice has been removed from the machine. Stop the pump. So this is the slice which we remove from the machine. Remove the component. Move it firstly backward. Yes. Give it to me. See, a slice from here has been removed. Now this component can be used for testing. By making a mold and polishing, user can test the component hardness or metallurgical structure. If you have any further inquiry, you can contact us. Thank you.